Hi, this is Don from Web Training Pros. In this video, we will review the training program TED's Woodworking Plans. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. That way when we release more videos like this one, you'll get notified. Let's get started.
Woodworking is becoming more and more popular these days. People are starting to realize that working with their hands and creating functional products they could use is a very satisfying activity. It's a productive hobby that also helps to relieve stress, and if you're skilled, you can even sell your handiwork and make a pretty decent side income. That being said, one of the biggest obstacles to woodworking is finding good plans that you can use. Most plans either lack detail or they require too much work and/or experience to create the product. Or even worse, there's not much variety to choose from. Over the past few years, TED's Woodworking has become a bestseller with thousands of copies being sold every single year. Created by an expert woodworker, Ted McGrath has put together a collection of plans that's so huge and has so much variety that it has to be seen to be believed. It has just about every plan that you could think of. With so many satisfied customers, there's no arguing about the quality of this product. But is Ted's Woodworking worth the investment? Follow me to the next video and we'll see if it lives up to the hype.
To learn more about this product and hear our complete review, click on the link in the description below. And if you are not a subscriber yet, click here and you'll be notified whenever a new video goes public.